Prepare for liftoff and say goodbye to all traffic jams. Cause today, we are excited to unveil a collection of flying cars and personal transport vehicles that promise to revolutionize travel, making the skies accessible to the public soon. Introducing the Samson Switchblade, a groundbreaking invention priced at approximately $150,000 that revolutionizes the way you explore the world by seamlessly blending the capabilities of flight and driving. This marvel of engineering offers unparalleled freedom, allowing you to bypass the hassles of traffic and less than ideal weather conditions. The Switchblade features a spacious and comfortable interior equipped with the latest flight instruments and a high-performance design to ensure a safe and thrilling experience. Whether opting for the road or the sky, the vehicle's wings and tail are ingeniously protected for daily use. It incorporates advanced safety features such as front and rear crumple zones, side intrusion, and rollover protection, along with a complete vehicle parachute and an optional feature that audibly announces the landing height, all designed to ensure your safety and peace of mind during every journey. Bridging the thrill of supercar racing from the streets to the skies, the Exa series introduces the world's pioneering electric flying car race series with its Airspeeder. This ambition looks to fast-track FTOL technology's development through the high-velocity arena of competitive racing. Tailored to usher in a new era of motorsport, Airspeeders aspire to captivate with unrivaled, futuristic races, transitioning from an unmanned first season to hosting skilled pilots dueling in the clouds. The series promises races on electronically managed circuits amidst stunning vistas. Although the current Airspeeder Mk3 models are controlled remotely, the dream is to eventually have pilots navigating from within. Weighing just 100 kilograms and achieving speeds of 120 kilometers per hour, these vertical takeoff and landing vehicles promise to provide an adrenaline rush. With 15-minute flight capabilities and total race times around 45 minutes, strategic battery swaps akin to F1 pit stops are essential, showcasing innovation and the sport's unique challenges. The Jetson One, a sleek and lightweight aircraft, embodies the excitement of Formula One racing in the sky with its exquisite aluminum and carbon fiber design. This nimble aircraft is powered by 8 high-performance motors and propellers, offering an exhilarating flight experience. It's equipped with a sophisticated flight computer that features LiDAR for terrain tracking and an automatic landing system, ensuring flights are safe and controlled. This flying car is designed for ease of use, with innovative flight controls that allow anyone to pilot it within minutes. Its safety is unparalleled, boasting complete propulsion redundancy, triple redundant flight computers, a ballistic parachute, and LiDAR-rated obstacle avoidance, making it an epitome of modern aviation innovation. The Hover Scorpion bike has become a beacon for adrenaline seekers and technology lovers through its crowdfunding endeavor, promising an unparalleled flight experience. Hoversurf's creation, this quadcopter, not only achieves a remarkable speed of up to 43 miles per hour and covers a distance of 13 miles, but is also equipped with advanced LiDAR technology. This allows for precise altitude control, ensuring the bike remains at the chosen height. Its design incorporates critical safety measures such as redundant propellers, automatic emergency landing, and altitude limits to safeguard pilots. With an investment close to $150,000, you can secure your very own Skyhopper, joining the ranks of the aerially adventurous. The Blackfly electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle at the forefront of advancing the concept of personal aerial transport into a tangible reality. Designed to redefine the paradigms of aviation, it integrates efficiency with ease of operation for an unparalleled air travel experience. Emphasizing safety through its triple modular redundant flight systems, alongside multiple control surfaces and sensors, the Blackfly sets a new standard for air vehicles. It boasts impressive capabilities with a 30-mile range on a single charge, a service ceiling reaching 1,200 feet, and a top speed of 60 miles per hour, thus enabling new avenues for both exploration and daily commuting. Furthermore, the vehicle rapidly recharges in 20 to 30 minutes with a 240-volt charger. In the US, it's classified as an ultralight, not requiring a pilot's license, whereas in Canada, it's a basic ultralight requiring a license due to its weight. The innovative Lilium Jet is redefining travel by offering faster, sustainable trips and creating new city connections. This 7-seater aircraft stands out with its capability to cruise at speeds of 280 km per hour, 170 miles per hour, and cover over 250 kilometers and 155 miles at an altitude of 3,000 meters or 10,000 feet. Its 36-ducted electric vector thrust DEVT fans guarantee a quiet, efficient journey. The jet's design focuses on performance and comfort, featuring aerodynamic shapes, ailerons for better control, and large cabin windows. Additionally, its emphasis on distributed electric propulsion and redundant safety systems underscores Lilium's commitment to passenger safety. The Palvi Liberty Sport stands as a genuine incarnation of the flying car concept, drawing its inspiration from nature while being meticulously engineered for both safety and enjoyment. This compact vehicle shines with its agile maneuverability, whether soaring in the air or navigating on land, courtesy of its innovative rotor design that efficiently minimizes turbulence. For added convenience, the Palvi Liberty Sport features retractable rotor blades and a folding tail, allowing for easy storage. It's powered by dual Rotax engines, delivering a robust combined horsepower of 400, enabling the flying car to achieve speeds of up to 160 km per hour on roads and 180 km per hour in flight. With a maximum takeoff weight of 910 kilograms, the Palvi Liberty Sport boasts an impressive range of 500 kilometers, setting a new benchmark for flying car capabilities. Embrace the transition from traditional cars without sacrificing the joy of driving with the Leo Coupe, a striking fusion of automotive and aviation technology. Priced at about $450,000, this fully electric marvel combines the liberty of car ownership with the exhilarating pace of flight. Easy to charge both at home and with Leo Flightvert's swift charging stations, it brings unparalleled convenience. The Leo Coupe boasts vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, enabling it to lift off like a helicopter and glide like a plane, all without the need for runways. Seating up to 4 passengers, its spacious cabin opens up breathtaking panoramic views, enhanced by unique in-floor windows. Flying is made effortless with its intuitive semi-autonomous controls and a straightforward licensing process. Prioritizing safety, the Coupe is equipped with a proprietary electric jet propulsion, sophisticated aerodynamics, and vital emergency features, including a ballistic recovery parachute and automatic takeoff landing systems. This vehicle represents the zenith of comfort, elegance, and safety for those seeking the ultimate in luxurious travel. The Klein Vision AirCar heralds a new era in personal transportation, effortlessly blending the convenience of a car with the capabilities of an aircraft through its aerodynamic design, retractable wings, and advanced technologies. Constructed from state-of-the-art composite materials, it not only boasts an appealing design, but also prioritizes functionality with features like folding tail surfaces for improved stability and takeoff. Its compact design enhances practicality for daily use, while a range of models including options for 3 to 4 seaters, a twin-engine variant, and even an amphibious version underscores its versatility. Indeed, the AirCar is sculpting a visionary path for the future of personal air travel. XTURISMO is revolutionizing transportation by merging the realms of science fiction and reality with its innovative hoverbike design. Aimed to transform how humans traverse the skies, XTURISMO weighs about 300 kilograms and can haul an additional 100 kilograms payload. It's ingeniously powered by a hybrid of internal combustion and battery, allowing for a unique flying experience. Capable of reaching speeds up to 62 miles per hour and with a flight duration of approximately 40 minutes, this craft offers exhilarating performance. Rider safety is assured with sophisticated 3D control systems, aerodynamic air route designs, precise mapping controls, and sensors for detecting obstacles. Riders can also monitor their journey through a dedicated app that serves as a virtual dashboard and provides real-time updates on both vehicle status and localization. Beyond the thrill, XTURISMO is said to be a game-changer for practical applications including disaster response, infrastructure inspection, and the entertainment industry, paving the way for versatile aerial solutions. The M400 Skycar, developed by Dr. Paul Moller, combines the speed of a fixed-wing aircraft with the convenience of vertical takeoff and landing, making it an innovative mode of transport. Its design includes ducted fans for lift and propulsion, which enhance safety and reduce maintenance, while its advanced fly-by-wire technology ensures easy and stable operation. Additionally, the Skycar features autonomous flight capabilities enabled by its onboard scanning and precise positioning systems, ensuring seamless navigation. Prioritizing safety, it is equipped with multiple engines, redundant systems, and an emergency airframe parachute, alongside enclosed fans and aerodynamic stability for added protection. Let's take a look at the Bellwether Antelope, an eye-catching eVTOL aircraft that merges futuristic design with revolutionary technology. This game-changing craft is powered by a quartet of ducted fans and electric motors, supported by an advanced battery pack. Its cockpit boasts a jet fighter-inspired canopy, offering passengers an unobstructed panoramic view. Eco-conscious by design, the Antelope offers both vertical takeoffs and landings while maintaining an environmentally friendly footprint. Its sleek form factor and hidden propulsion contribute to easy handling within urban landscapes. Inside, meticulous craftsmanship and strategic design provide passengers with supreme comfort and a tranquil voyage. With a top cruising speed of 217 kilometers per hour and a soaring capability of up to 914 meters, the Antelope delivers a blend of performance and safety that's hard to match.